Hey guys, how's it going? I want to show you how to do a front and a rear differential oil change on the Subaru Forester. It's pretty simple to do. I'm going to do two separate videos. I'm going to show you the rear differential in one and the front in the other. Check your maintenance booklet, this little guy right here. You'll see that it says basically you need to inspect the fluid level and condition every so often, which makes it a lifetime fluid, unless you're driving under severe conditions, which they say you should then change it every 15,000 miles. I did it at 30,000 miles from new, and then I'm doing it right now at 100,000 miles, and it looked really good. So I want to make this really simple and straightforward. It's an easy process to do, so check it out. Let's go. So to get to the rear differential, you don't have to jack your vehicle up. I'm doing more maintenance than just this, so I jacked mine up and also leveled it. Just try and get it close to level. Get yourself some good nitrile chemical resistant gloves and a drain pan and a rag because it's going to get a little messy. You can use a cleaner of your choice. I recommend starting cleaning the area around the drain plugs. You don't want any dirt getting in there. You're going to want a 10mm Allen socket and an extension and a good ratchet. Once you get in there, you should break both plugs loose, and be careful not to break your knuckles because sometimes they can be a little tight and they come loose with a vengeance. I always start with removing the top plug first, just so I can see how the level of the fluid is. As you'll see here, a little bit of fluid comes out, so that's a good sign. Then I'll pull the drain plug, which also has a magnet in it, and drain out all the fluid. Get a little sample if you want, and walk away, let it drain. This would be a good time to clean your two plugs. Take a look at what kind of buildup is on your magnetic chip plug. A little bit of paste is not a big deal. If you have a lot of big flakes of metal, then that might be a problem. I use a little bit of carburetor cleaner to help clean this off. You can use a little bit of compressed air and a couple of rags, just get them nice and clean. Remove your two old gaskets and put on two new gaskets and set these plugs aside. They're ready to be installed. I recommend getting yourself a gear lube pump. I picked this up at Walmart for about $4.50. It works really well and makes it a lot easier. I'm using Subaru factory gear oil, the 7590. You can use whichever brand you like, just stick to the right viscosity. I recommend using a torque wrench so you can install the plugs to the correct torque. Once it's stopped draining, you want to clean off the area where the gasket's going to seat. Make sure everything's nice and clean. We're going to go ahead and put that plug in with the new gasket on it. It's all nice, clean, and shiny. And we're going to torque it up to 36.9 foot-pounds. At this point, with the car level, you can begin filling the differential with gear oil. This will take a little bit of time, but you're just gonna pump away until it's filled up and a little bit of oil starts to come out of the top fill port. Once the gear oil starts to come out of the top, you're going to put in the top plug with the new gasket and torque it up to 36.9 foot-pounds. Real quick torque check on both plugs and clean off the area of any residual oil. Here's a quick look at the old fluid that has 70,000 miles on it versus the new fluid that I just put in. Quite a difference. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps somebody out. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button below. And as always, leave any questions or comments below and I'll try and get to them. Thanks.